there is a special type of tissue, the muscular tissue. Now, as I told you, there are some movements which are under our control, like movement of arms, legs, but there are some movements which are continuously taking place whether we want it or not. Heart will keep on beating, the organs of the digestive system will keep on moving just as the lungs will. So, when the movement is under our control, it is called voluntary movement. Now, there is a special type of muscular tissue which is for voluntary movement. Actually, muscular tissue can be of three types. The first one is the striated muscles. Now, these muscles are long and cylindrical. Now, just see its structure. What are these that I am drawing? These are the nuclei. They have many nuclei, so it is multinucleated. If we stay in a muscle, what we find is there are alternate dark and light bands, and that is why it is called striated muscle. It is made up of a protein which is called, all muscles are made up of a protein called contractile protein. They help in the contraction. Now, the function of striated muscles is voluntary movement. Another type of muscular tissue is this shape. There are no striations, so it is called smooth walled or unstriated. What does that mean? No bands. How many nuclei? One. Shape, it is slightly long, but not as long as striated, but the ends are tapering. This shape is called fusiform or the spindle shaped. These muscles are present in the internal organs and they are responsible for involuntary movement. All organs except heart have smooth walled muscles. Now, what kind of muscles are present in the heart? Because heart also is a muscular organ. This is called cardiac tissue. The word cardiac is always concerned with heart, cardiologist, a specialist of heart. So, cardiology, study of heart. So, cardiac tissue is the tissue which is found on the heart. It has characters which are in between striated and unstriated muscles. How? Like smooth walled, it is uninucleated. Sometimes even two nuclei can be there. In cardiac tissue, bands are there, but they are faint. Faint striations. However, like striated muscle, striations are there, but like smooth walled muscles, it is uninucleated. The striated muscles are multinucleated. And the distinguishing feature of cardiac tissue is that it is branched. Both smooth walled and striated muscles are unbranched. To remember it better, you can make a table and you can write down all the characteristic features just as we are showing you.